Chapter 9 AI and Entrepreneurship. How AI can reduce costs, streamline small businesses, and help entrepreneurs thrive. The entrepreneur's hustle, now powered by AI. Entrepreneurship has always been about finding creative ways to do more with less. In the past, that meant wearing 12 different hats: CEO, marketer, accountant, customer service rep, and sometimes even janitor. It meant spending long nights hustling, doing things manually because hiring help was too expensive. It meant trial and error, hoping your best guess would work before the bank account hits zero. Now, AI is changing everything. For small business owners, solo entrepreneurs, and startups, AI is not just a luxury, it's becoming the ultimate business partner. It doesn't need a salary, it works 24/7 without complaining, and it can handle the boring, repetitive tasks that eat up your time. The result? Lower costs, faster growth, and a leaner, smarter business. This chapter dives into how AI is revolutionizing entrepreneurship with real-world examples of how small business owners are already using AI to work smarter, not harder. AI's role in entrepreneurship, the competitive edge. Once upon a time, running a business meant hiring people for every major task: accounting, marketing, customer service, and sales. Now, AI can handle a huge chunk of those tasks on autopilot. Let's break down three major areas where AI is already helping entrepreneurs reduce costs and grow faster. AI for marketing and customer acquisition. Real-world examples: ChatGPT and Jasper for content marketing, Ad Creative AI for ad optimization. What it does? Writes blog posts, social media content, and product descriptions in seconds. Creates high-performing ad campaigns using AI-powered tool design and copywriting. Analyzes customer data to figure out what's working and what's wasting money. Why it's a game changer. Marketing used to be a huge expense for small businesses. Hiring a content writer? Expensive. Running Facebook and Google ads without data? Hit or miss. Trying to compete with big brands? Nearly impossible. Now, AI levels the playing field. ChatGPT and Jasper write compelling content for free or a fraction of the cost. Ad Creative AI generates optimized ad graphics and copy that convert better than manually created ads. AI analytics tools track what works so entrepreneurs don't waste money on bad campaigns. For small business owners trying to grow on a budget, AI-powered marketing means getting professional-level results without hiring an entire team. 2. AI for automating business operations. Real-world examples: Zapier and Notion AI for workflow automation. What it does? Well, connects apps and automates repetitive tasks. Example: syncing leads from social media to a CRM. Organizes customer data, invoices, and reports without manual input. Handles scheduling, emails, and follow-ups automatically. Why it's a game changer. Time is the most valuable resource for entrepreneurs. Manually updating spreadsheets, time-consuming. Replying to the same customer inquiries over and over, draining. Forgetting to send invoices, a recipe for financial disaster. With AI, Zapier automates workflows so tasks happen without human input. Notion AI organizes notes, generates reports, and streamlines operations. Chatbots handle basic customer service inquiries, freeing up time for real conversations. For entrepreneurs wearing too many hats, AI takes busy work off their plate so they can focus on growing their business instead of just running it. AI for financial management and smart decision making. Real-world examples: QuickBooks, AI, and Xero for automated accounting. What it does: automatically categorizes expenses and tracks income, so no more manual bookkeeping. Predicts cash flow trends so businesses can plan ahead. Flags potential financial risks before they become big problems. Why it's a game changer. Finances are one of the biggest stress points for entrepreneurs. Hiring an accountant, expensive. Manually managing numbers, error prone. Forgetting tax deadlines, a nightmare waiting to happen. Now, AI-driven accounting tools. Automated bookkeeping so no more late nights reconciling numbers. Predict financial shortfalls before they happen. Remind business owners of tax deadlines so they don't get surprise penalties. For small business owners who hate dealing with numbers, AI-powered finance tools turn chaotic spreadsheets into crystal clear insights. The future of AI and entrepreneurship. What's coming next? AI is already making life easier for business owners, but in the next 5 to 10 years, it's going to completely reshape entrepreneurship. Here's what's on the horizon. 1. AI-driven virtual business partners. AI won't just assist, it will act as a full-fledged business strategist. Future AI tools will analyze market trends, suggest pricing strategies, and even negotiate deals. Entrepreneurs will make smarter decisions with AI-driven insights in real time. 2. Fully AI-powered customer service and sales. AI-powered virtual assistants will handle 90% of customer inquiries in any language at any time. AI will personalize customer experiences so every client feels like they're getting the VIP treatment. And automated AI sales reps will qualify leads, schedule calls, and even close deals. 3. AI-powered hyper-personalized marketing. AI will create ads, social media posts, and email campaigns tailored to individual customers in real time. Businesses will have zero wasted ad spend. Every dollar will go toward people actually interested in your product. AI will predict exactly what customers want before they even ask for it. Final thoughts. Gen X entrepreneurs, it's time to leverage AI. For Gen Xers running businesses, the biggest mistake right now is ignoring AI. Because here's the truth. AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs, it's giving them superpowers. The businesses that use AI will outcompete those that don't. AI is making it possible to run an entire company with fewer people and better results. The old school way of running a business, slow, expensive, and exhausting. The AI-powered way, faster, leaner, and smarter. Gen X entrepreneurs have a choice. Stick to the old methods and risk falling behind, or use AI to scale faster, reduce stress, and dominate their industries. And if AI can help small businesses thrive without burnout, then why not embrace it? After all, entrepreneurship is about working smarter, not harder. Too long? Didn't read? How AI is revolutionizing small businesses. AI-powered marketing saves money and boosts sales. AI workflow automation eliminates busy work. AI accounting tools make financial management effortless. The future of AI and entrepreneurship includes virtual business strategists, automated sales reps, and hyper-personalized marketing. So let's stop grinding and start leveraging AI, because the future of business belongs to those who know how to use it.